Hey food fans, welcome back. I'm going to be playing around in the kitchen today. I'm going to do some mini potatoes, smash them and stick them in the oven so they get nice and crispy. If you want to, you can get your mixture ready. Bit of olive oil, tablespoon and a half. Salt. Pepper. Sweet paprika. A couple of sprigs of thyme for now. Just flavour the oil a bit. Okay, so while your potatoes are boiling, you can turn your oven on to 220 or 200 for a fan assisted to get the oven nice and hot when the potatoes go in. Keep your roasting pan in there, give it a sizzle when you put them on. Okay, we've hit boiling point now on the potatoes. We need to let these boil for about 10 minutes. Just bring the heat down so it doesn't boil over. Okay, they've been boiling for about 10 minutes now. You can take a knife. Should be nice and soft and slide off the knife. That's perfect. Right, so I'll take them off the heat. We'll drain the water and then we'll leave them to steam in the pot for another couple of minutes. Meanwhile, grab yourself a plate. Small plate will do, as long as it's got a flat bottom. Okay, that's removed any excess moisture from them. And carefully, because they will roll off. Yeah, there goes one. And try and get them fairly flat. And we're just going to give them a press down with a plate, just to squash them. And these can go into your mixing bowl. If you're feeling brave, you can pick them up by hand or use a spoon, spatula. I'm just going to give that a roll around to give them a coating. Rough them up on the edges a little bit more. And the drizzle of olive oil. A little bit more salt. And they're ready to go into the oven. Right, we're going to put them in the oven to roast for 25 to 30 minutes. You can keep what's in here just to drizzle over when you take them out of the oven halfway through to rotate them. Meanwhile, we can start to cook the bacon. Some olive oil. And our chopped bacon. And I'm also going to throw a stick of thyme in there. Okay, let's take the taters out, give them a turn. I'm going to pick out the sticks of thyme now. And as a bonus for sticking around, a secret ingredient. Cheese, Parmesan. I'm back in the oven for another 10 minutes. You're going to crank the oven up full now. Get the skins nice and crispy. Picked up some gravy while we were out shopping the other day. The Oakhurst onion gravy. I think I'm going to warm this up to try with them. It's quite peppery. Right, tip it slightly, get all the oil away from the taters before you serve them. And done. Stick in the middle of the table and let people grab what they want.